The inverter generates alarm 2034 grid overvoltage. Alarm. View alarm information. Log in to the Fusion Solar Smart PVMS. (2034 grid overvoltage). Solution. Short time grid abnormality. Check whether the inverter generates a fault alarm. Turn off the AC circuit breaker. Measure the upstream voltage of the AC circuit breaker. Check the historical information about the three-phase voltages of the inverter. Check the grid voltages. Change the grid overvoltage protection thresholds. Voltage rise suppression. Other solutions.